Went over all of this twice, well, except for this room, because I was just getting kind of bored. So we are in Haines City at a fairly new home. I think it's a rental. I know it's empty. Homeowner or the tenant actually contacted me at a gas station. I was stopped to get gas and he asked for a card, and long story short, so now I'm here cleaning the house. I don't know if he rented it or he owns it, but we're gonna get it clean. So I thought I'd give you a look at it. First glance, it's not real bad. There's some spots, you can see it's a little dark right there. Looks like maybe there was a desk here. That looks like a desk chair protector, carpet protector. So this is one room off of the front of the house. Then directly behind it is another room. You can kind of see a line there where the bed was on the floor and the rest of it's dirty. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna show you the house, then I'll bring you back after I'm done, see how clean it got. So here's another bedroom. It's not real bad. It probably wasn't used a whole lot, would be my guess. See, it's not that bad. Let's go look at the living room and the master bedroom. So here is where it makes it worth hiring a professional. This looks like maybe a dining area, maybe a dining table. Dad probably sat there with his greasy work boots. A little bit of dirt there. You can see the traffic area going to the slider. Then right over here, I would guess there was a couch, maybe a sectional. You can see the traffic pattern with a definite line as if there was a couch there. Comes back over here and on into the master. By the way, sorry for my froggy throat. I've got some kind of, I don't know, something, sinus infection or something going on. So this is the master. Not too bad. Looks like maybe this was Dad's side of the bed. See, it's a little dirty there. Then over here, it's funny, it looks a lot worse on camera than it does in real life. So maybe I should start looking at all these houses using my phone before I give them a price. All right, come in through here. This is always the trick. Then there's a carpeted closet. It's not real bad. Maybe a spot right there. But, yep, that's it. So I'm gonna bring you guys back when I get done. We'll see how good of a job I did. I found one roll that they left here. Let's see if there's any more. No, I guess not. They didn't leave any more. Oh, hey guys, you came back. Where'd you come back? Oh, I was gonna show you the carpet after I got done. Come on, let's take a look. Nope, don't look here. We're gonna start in the master bedroom. And ta-da! Much better. Still got traffic areas over here. You're always gonna have that when carpet has been not cleaned enough and been walked on a lot. It's just friction. It's a matter of physics. Don't ask me to explain it to you. It's above both of us. Okay, got that spot over there. Looks pretty good. It's not perfect. Actually looks better in real life than on this camera, this expensive camera I got on my phone. Okay, master living room. It's the living room. You can see there's still traffic pattern. Trust me, it looks better in real life. I used to be a used car salesman, trust me. Actually, I didn't, I'm just kidding. I'm a Christian, I don't do things like that. Okay, so I got that spot. I had to go over these twice. They do look a lot better. There again, it's never gonna be perfect because it's just a matter of friction. It's a matter of physics. It's above both of us. To look at really, but I'll show you. Came clean. Looks pretty good. It didn't look bad to begin with, but I did clean it, just so you guys know I'm not cheating the customer. Okay, and then finally, all right, we'll look at this one first because it's better than the other one. Where's the light? There it is. See, he's got the slight traffic patterns, and honestly, they look worse in the camera than they do in real life. Got to get me a new camera. This is crazy. It's actually more detailed than real life. I don't know about that. A picture here, final room. Remember, this is the one that had the square, still there, but it is a lot cleaner. Now this, well, all the carpet will lighten up as it dries, but I don't know that that square is going to disappear. Went over all of this twice, well, except for this room, because I was just getting kind of bored. No, I'm just kidding, I did. I went over this twice. Everything in here, if it had issues, I went over it twice. I always do that because it makes a difference. So if you've got a carpet cleaner coming to your home and there is a stain that just won't go away, ask and see if they did it twice, or maybe 3 times. Very rarely do I do anything 3 times, because I have found if twice doesn't get it, 3 never would. Thanks for coming along, and if you are in the Central Florida area, give me a call, I'll be glad. Let me back that up. If you're in Polk County, give me a call, I'll be glad to clean your carpet, your upholstery, your mattress, your tile. Please give me a call. You guys take care. I've always wanted to do that.